everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to merge sections in Canvas using a phone. Let's get started. First, open Canvas Teacher app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, when merging sections, you need to go into the section you want to move. This is the section that will be merged into another course. Tap the course that you want to be. The style section. Inside the course, tap the menu icon, the three lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap settings at the bottom. In the settings area, tap sections. You will see the section's name for the course. Tap it once. Now you will see an option called cross list section. This is the button used to merge sections. Tap cross list section. In the search box, type the course you want to merge into. This is called the parent course, the main course that will hold all the student and assign. Tap the course name when it appears. After selecting the parent course, tap course list these sections again to confirm. Canvas will move this entire section including student into the main course. To make sure everything worked, open the parent course, go to the settings, then section. You should now see the child section listed there. And that's all. We have just learned how to merge sections or cross list in Canvas using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.